In today's video, I will walk you through how to manage notifications on Wise account. Before we jump into this quick tutorial, tap the link in the description below to follow along, and let's get started. First, go to your Wise account and open your profile or account menu. Once you're inside your account settings, look for the Notifications section. This is where you can manage the types of notifications you receive from Wise. Click on the Notifications option to view the available settings. Go through the available notification options and decide which alerts you want to receive. If you see a notification category with a toggle switch, you can select the switch to turn that type of notification on or off. Make sure important account and transaction notifications remain enabled. These alerts can help you stay informed about activity involving your Wise account. Some changes may be saved automatically when you switch an option on or off. Keep in mind that the exact notification options can vary depending on your account, location, and the Wise services you're using. So if you're not receiving push notifications, even though they're enabled in Wise, check whether notifications are allowed for the Wise app on your device. It's a good idea to review your notification preferences from time to time, especially if your Wise account activity or the devices you use have changed. And that's how you can manage notifications on your Wise account. I hope this tutorial helped you customize your Wise notifications and keep the alerts that matter most to you. Please like and subscribe for more simple Wise tutorials and helpful guides.